So you want to become a good streamer, an IDV, like popular ones like Lammy and everyone else, But you don't know how to get started? I got you, don't worry. So first, open your Google Chrome or any browser, right? And search up Streamlabs. Once you go to the official website, right? You will go to the dashboard, right? Dashboard or it'll say login. So login via Twitch or any source of a way you're going to, stream. So once you get there, click on the dashboard, right? And then to the left hand side, you will see everything here. Alert boxes, widgets, and everything. This will also show you your revenue, etc. This is all the nerd stuff. So I want you to do right. So to get started on alert boxes, that's the most simple thing. Let's click on alert boxes, shall we? And this is everything you got here. Very important stuff, right? So let's say we want to make something special, like followers, right? Follows. So every time someone follows, etc., something pops up. The image will show here, right? Scroll down here. The image here, so you can import any image you want, or use the ones that are custom here, right? These are the ones I have, so you can just drag the image here, and boom, bada bing, bada boom. Sound, right? You know me. I stream IDV. Every time someone follows, I put the baby let's go sound, which is very nice. So here's all my audios. You can import it, same thing. Same thing like the image. There's also some alert durations here, text delay, etc. The sound volume, I made a little lower because it was super loud before. Message template, so the name of the person, right, that's going to show on the screen, and then this is the text that's showing, like, for example, let's say Ben Meatball is now following, right? It will show Ben Meatball is now following. Nice. That's what I have. There's also the fade in and fade out effect as well. Don't forget to save settings. You always need to save settings before testing the audio or the playback, of course. So I want you to do right. To check on it is press launch, right? Launch. There we go. And then it should show a green screen right here, right? What we're gonna do is test follow right here. See, there we go, right? Same thing that goes with test subscription. Right there, see? Same rules apply to follow subscriptions right here, see? Subscriptions, you can add audio as well, right? Or MP4, see? And yeah. That's basically the same rule of alert boxes. That's how you set up custom alert box, basically. Donations, of course. Donation, host, raids. Raids are very important. I recommend them. Make them feel very, very special. And now we're going to get started on the main thing. Starting your first stream, alright? This is Streamlabs OBS. I use it a lot, alright? Because it's my go-to. So the mini feed right here. It shows who recently followed, etc., rated, all the good stuff, right? So if you want to add a alert box, right? Let's click on sources here, right? Then click on alert box. I already have alert box here, so yeah, add source. If you want to make a new one, click here, add new source instead, right? This will make a different copy of it. Since I already have one, I would just add source here, right? And no matter what, right? Oops. This, right, is the same thing as this. So if I click test follow, see? Because Twitch is already linked in to Streamlabs. Don't forget to log in, alright? Via Twitch or YouTube, right? To Streamlabs OBS. And you can move this anywhere you want. See? Move this here, here, and here, there, anywhere, right? And you can make it bigger and smaller. Hua, hua, hua. You can also make it unseeable right here, see? On the source tab. You can make it lock so you can't interact with it anymore. Or you can make it invisible, meaning like you can't see it anymore, right? Like, look at this. Oops. Alerts should not be showing. See? But we should keep that on, since make them feel special. But I recommend locking it so it doesn't move place. You can always relock and lock it either way, so yeah. Now we're gonna get started on chat boxes. This will get started to make sure the chat can see each other, right? I already have one added, so don't worry, alright? You can make it one for yourself. Chat box right here. You can put it anywhere. I usually have it on the left side of my screen. I will click it, right? And you can change it right here, see? You can change it to show moderation badge, etc., right? All the good stuff. I recommend clicking all of this, right? Shows everything as well. Visual, see? There's boxed, and you can change the theme of it as well, so you can visually customize as well. Font size, chatter, etc. All the good stuff, Now, so if you want to add images, the same rule again. You click here at image sources, and you can add anything you like as well. So, we settle chat boxes, alert boxes, right? This is how you show on stream as well, right? Now, let's say you don't have two monitors, right? So I recommend doing is clicking the bottom left to the gear button, right? And I click on game overlay. Make sure to turn everything here, show chat, recent events, everything, right? And yeah, this is the overlay position. Now watch this. Go to hotkeys, right? Scroll all the way to the bottom to toggle in-game overlay. Click on any hotkeys you want. Personally, I have F9 and F10, right? On the top of the keyboard. This will reveal chat, basically. You can see right here, if I click F9. As you can see on my screen, this is the most recent events and the chat box so I can see as well. So if I click on here, and if I click on oopsies, and I click on game overlay, right? You can see how it is. You can toggle F10, right, to show positions, right? Like how in my settings. See, toggle position mode, this is where everything is. You can move it here, here, anywhere you want, alright? I usually have chat here, and I have my events here. Click F9 again to see the chat. Click F10 to show positions and move it anywhere you want. F9, F10, F9. Overlay opacity, right? It's basically how like see-through you want it to be, or how deep you want it to be. Personally, I have it at the 70 mark because or lower to make it more visible and much more clear. Personally, I like it a little clearer so I can see chat and also focus on the game as well. Let's say you want to get started on Identity TV, right? Make sure when you're streaming Identity TV, open Identity 5 first, right? Then click on Add Source, Window Capture. I don't know why, but Identity TV does not detect game capture, right? So personally, go to Window Capture, right? I already have IDV located, but we're gonna make a new one, right? Add Source. Click on Identity V. Click on here. And you can see everything here, see? Isn't that cool? Maybe so you can stream the whole game. But yeah, that's how streaming for IDV works. If you have any questions, please ask me. And do not forget, right, to make it the alert box and chat box on top as well so it overlays each other. Make sure to show it, yeah. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to DM me on Discord or anywhere else. Thank you.